level up your video editing skills? In just 5 minutes, I'll teach you how to make pro thumbnails using CapCut. Let us proceed. Click on New Project. Go to the Photo section here. What we will do here is to upload our thumbnail background. You can check out our video on how to use Canva to make professional thumbnails backgrounds. Next, we will want to add overlay of CapCut logo. You can get it by searching CapCut image on Google. We would want to remove background, so we would have only the CapCut logo. To do that, click on Cutout here. Then you will click on Chroma key here. Drag this circle here. Click on Intensity and increase it. We now have our CapCut logo with the background removed. Interesting. Now what we will do next is resize the CapCut image by zooming in and out with your finger. Next, we would want to overlay our image. Click on Add Overlay. We will now add our picture. You can get pictures like this from Pexels or other free stock image websites. Position it using your finger. Then we will remove the background. Click on Cutout. Tap here to remove background. You now have your picture without background. Resize with your finger on the screen. Testing which position works best. We will reposition the CapCut logo so we could add our text beneath. Click on Text. Tap Add Text. Input your text here. We will change the font. Tap here. You will select a bold writing with no too many styles that is simple to read. We would want to adjust the text size to fit under the CapCut image, like this. We will add text again. Adjust with your finger. Click on Style. Click on Background. We will do same to the second text. Tap here, then select the color you want. We can also change the text background to white and the text itself to black. This looks better. We will do the same for second text. Let's go with this. We will rearrange the CapCut logo and the text. Then we will export. What we will do next is to take a screenshot of the edited clip, and you will then save it as your thumbnail. There you have it. There you have your thumbnail.